Om Namah Shivaya, children. Good morning, children. We have learned, in the last class we have learned about addition, properties of addition, filling the missing digits, and the word problem. So children, today we are going to start subtraction. Before that, I wanted to know whether you have practiced about the addition. So hope you all have done, and I told you to do all the exercise problems in your rough note. Hope you have done. So I will be conducting unit test. That time you have to show your performance. Okay. So let us start subtraction. You have already learned subtraction in the lower classes. So now today we'll do subtraction with the larger numbers. Okay. So first we will do subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping. Without regrouping means, I told you, without carryover. Okay. So for that I give you one problem. It is four digit will take okay. Now we have to subtract without carryover. Okay. So here the number is 5,789. We have to subtract 3,642 from 5,789. So how you will subtract? We have to start from ones place. So here 9. Okay, 9. Either you start like 9 fingers you take, and 2 you can cut. You get 7, or you can start from 2. Okay, 2 in ascending order you count. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till you reach 9. 2 to 9. After 2 till 9 you reach, so you get 7. Okay, that way also you can count. So you got 7. Now 4. After 4 till 8. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 fingers. So here 4. Next, after 6, 7 till 7 you get 1 figure. So 1. Next, after 3 till 5 is 4, 5. So 2. So write here 2. So this is the way how we subtract. Then we'll take one more example, like okay. Here also we'll start from ones place. So here 7 minus 5. Okay, if you have learned that way, no problem. That is 7 fingers take 7 fingers and subtract 5 means cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers you are remaining? 2. So write here 2. Okay. But if it is more, then it will be difficult. Okay. No problem. If while carrying over, it will be difficult. Like if you carry over 13, where you take 13 fingers. That is why I told you to count from 2 to 4. So after 2, 3, 4. So 2. Okay. 0 to 6 means 6 only. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 fingers. 6. Then 3. After 3 till 5 is 2. So you got 2,622. Is that? Next is subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Okay. So let us take one example. This is also we are taking 4-digit number. Okay. Here we have to subtract 3768 from 6457. So we'll start from ones place. Here we have to subtract 8 from 7. So but here we cannot subtract 8 from 7 as 8 is greater than 7. So what we have to do, we have to regroup this 7 ones and 5 tens. That is 5 tens and 7 ones. Okay, it has to be regrouped as when one, if we carry 1 from tens place, okay, so it will become 4 tens, and here it will become 17 ones. Okay, so 4 tens and here 17 ones. That means here we got 5 tens and 7 ones. So what we have done is we take 1 tens from the 5 tens. So 1 10 when we carry here, it will become 4 tens. And when we carry 1 tens, it will become 17 ones. Now we can subtract 8 from 17. Okay, how we'll do? We have to count after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how much you got? 9. How many you got? 9. Okay. Next here it becomes, I'll write here, okay, 17, it will become 4. Now, we have to subtract 6 from 4. Can you subtract 6 from 4? No, because 6 is greater than 4. So we have to again regroup this 400s and 4 tens. So it will become, when we regroup 400s and 4 tens, we carry 400s. From 400s we carry 100. So it will become here 300s and this will become 14 tens. Okay, so 300. So write here 300 and it will become 14 tens. Now we have to subtract 6. We can subtract 6 from 14. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers? 8. So write here 8. Now can you subtract 7 from 3? No, because 7 is greater than 3. Now again we have to regroup this 3 and this the 3 tens, 300s and 6,000s. That is 6,000s and 300s. So 6,000s and 300s. So we have to again regroup this 6,000 and 300s. So 6,000s when we regroup, 6 will become 5,000 and when we carry 1 here will become 1,300. Okay. Now it will become 13 and this become 5,000. So now we can subtract. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Okay. Then after 5, after 3 till 5. After 3, 4, 5. So 2. So you got the answer to 2,689. Okay. Next is properties of addition. So the first property is when 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. Suppose we take 4632. When you subtract 0 from this number, you get the number is, see here, 2, 3, 6 and 4. Any number, okay, from any number, if we subtract 0 from any number, you get the number itself. This is the first property. Second property is when 1 is subtracted from a number, when suppose we take 3468. When 1 is subtracted from a number, what you get, see here, answer is 8 minus 1 is 7, 6, 4, 3. When 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the answer. The answer will be the predecessor of this number. This number is the predecessor of this number. Predecessor of this number. Predecessor. So here 3467 is predecessor of 3468. So when one is subtracted from any number, we get the answer. That answer will be the predecessor of the number, predecessor of that number. Okay, this is the second property. Third property is when a number is subtracted from itself. Suppose we take 6435. When a number is subtracted from itself, adhe number na kundi subtract idal 6435. We get 0 as answer. 0 will be the answer. 0 will be the answer. So any number, when a number is subtracted from the number itself, the difference will be always 0. So this is the property. First property is when 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the answer as the number itself. Then when 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the answer as the predecessor of that number. Predecessor of that number. And third is when the number is subtracted from itself, we get the difference as 0. Okay. So this is a property of addition. Hope you have understood. If any doubt, you can call me. Okay. Thank you.